Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Anderson. United Oil and Gas says new test results have strengthened evidence of potential oil resources offshore Jamaica. The company reported that analysis of samples identified hydrocarbons, which are typically linked to deep heated generated petroleum systems. Anthony Lugg has details.
United Oil and Gas plc says the findings come from 42 piston core samples collected during its 2020 seabed geochemical exploration survey. The company notes that these types of hydrocarbons are not usually associated with shallow biological gas systems, and their presence supports the possibility of an active petroleum system offshore Jamaica. United Oil and Gas adds that the results build on existing evidence, including satellite-detected oil slicks, previous well data, and natural oil seeps both onshore and offshore. The company says the latest survey was guided by advanced 3D seismic data and seabed mapping, improving the accuracy of its exploration efforts. Chief Executive Officer Brian Larkin says the results mark an important step towards a potential drilling decision. United Oil and Gas estimates the license could hold up to 7 billion barrels of prospective resources.
And staying with fuel-related news, all categories of fuel will increase for a 7th straight week, effective tomorrow. After this week's increase, 87 gasoline has increased by just under $27 for the last 7 weeks, while 90 gasoline has increased by nearly $28 in the same period. Now for this week, each litre of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will be increased by $4.50. Automotive diesel will sell for $4.50 being added to its price, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be also increased by $4.50. Kerosene will see its price also increased by $4.50, but the cost of propane will fall by $3.06, while butane will also drop $3.06. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The JSE index advanced by 195 points today, while the junior market index declined by 27 points. The winners include MFS Market Capital Partners, Sterling Investments, US Dollar Share, The Lab, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and JFP Limited. Now the losers, they include First Rock Real Estate Investments, Elite Diagnostic, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Kingston Properties, and Kintyre Holdings. 25 stocks traded firm. To some foreign exchange news now, the foreign exchange market trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $158.93. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.21. The pound is going for $212.01, while the euro is selling for an average $185.95. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Anderson. Good evening.